Hello, children. Welcome to the Value Education online class once again. Children, today I am going to tell you the story of a student and a teacher. Children, once there was a young man who traveled through a desert to meet his teacher and some elderly people. On his way, he came across a spring of sweet and clear water. The student, who was a young man, thought to carry water for his teacher and his men who were already in a journey and had halted to take rest in a desert. So he filled some water in a leather container. After that, he made his way and finally he reached his destination. He offered the leather container filled with water to his teacher. The teacher drank the water and thanked his student and blessed him. After that, the student left the desert and went back to his village with great satisfaction. The teacher allowed one of his students to taste the water. But as soon as he tasted the water, he spat it and said that it had an unpleasant smell because of the old leather container. He inquired his teacher that why did he pretend to feel happy. The teacher smiled and replied that it was not just water for him, but he could taste the love, the care, and the concern of his student for himself that made him grateful for the gift he received as water. So, children, in our life, we receive a great deal than we give, isn't it? We should be thankful to each and every creature of God, whether mortal or immortal, for making our life beautiful and bringing happiness in our lives. We can show our thankfulness not only in words but also in our actions, by our deeds. So, children, always feel the love behind the gifts you receive and be thankful for them. So, that's all for today, children. I hope all of you like this story. Now, today's homework is that you have to read chapter 9 from your Value Education book, and the title of the story is The Stale Gift. That's all for today, children. Take care. Thank you.